Hello, my name is Mugdha Gadkari and I'm responsible for product marketing in the C5000 ultra-low power digital signal processor group. I'm excited to introduce TI's latest additions in its broad DSP portfolio, the C553x generation of DSPs. These DSPs will be industry's lowest cost and lowest power DSPs and will enable customers to add advanced signal processing to cost-sensitive applications in the audio voice, biometric, and portable medical space. Taking a broad look at TI's embedded processor portfolio, C5000 comes in as a 16-bit fixed-point processor with ultra-low power consumption. The C55X generation offers a broad range of processors ranging up to 300 MHz in performance and up to 320 KB of memory. With code compatibility across all C55X devices and prices starting under $2, C5000 is the ideal solution for applications like audio, biometric, and portable medical. With the C5515, C5514, C5505, and 04 processors launched in 2010, TI secured the leadership in the market for lowest power consumption as well. The C553X generation will revolutionize the cost-sensitive applications because of its advantages in price, power, and ease of development. The generation starts at $1.95 for 1 kilo unit quantities and will be the lowest cost DSP on the market. This makes it very attractive to designers of applications with price pressure, which is everyone in the cost-sensitive space. Also, these devices help extend battery life by offering industry's lowest power consumption of less than 0.15 milliwatts per megahertz in active mode and less than 0.15 milliwatts in standby mode. So this helps consumers get a longer battery life. TI is also offering tools and software with the DSPs for quick and easy development and expedite their time to market for our customers. So it's a complete package with threefold benefit, which enables the customers to reduce their overall system cost, extend battery life, and get to market quickly. There are two ways in which these DSPs are revolutionizing the industry. The first is by making applications smarter, by taking applications that used to be in the MCU territory as far as power and price were concerned and adding enhanced capabilities using this DSP but at no additional cost. Earlier, the only way to control appliances was to manually go there and switch them on or off. Now, we have remote controls to wirelessly transmit commands. The C553X DSPs can now allow you to simply talk to your portable remote control and open a garage door or start an appliance and control almost everything you wanted. Another example is the C553X DSPs can also enable more processing at the sensor side and reduce the transmission bandwidth. It can be used to add real-time diagnostics to the sensor space. There is also a lot of exciting activity in the education industry to make teaching and learning tools more interactive. Educators and presenters want more effective tools to engage their audience and captivate their attention. And students want an easier but more comprehensive user experience while learning as well as revising. The C553X DSPs can help make whiteboards and digital pens cooler and enable more connectivity. The second way this generation will help customers is by helping them decrease their BOM cost and make it accessible to more consumers. To name a few applications which can leverage this are the fingerprint biometric space, which includes door locks, USB secure keys. We have the portable medical equipment, which includes portable ECGs, pulse oximeters, and of course the audio and voice space, which includes voice recorders, headsets, speakers. Talking about audio voice applications, here are a few end equipments which can benefit greatly from the C553x processors. We have the USB headsets, audio portion of USB webcams, speakerphones, USB DJ mixers, microphones, and speakers, etc. We also have the Bluetooth headsets and Bluetooth speakers, which can be a great fit for the C553x processors. I have more information in the subsequent slides about why they are a great fit. Now, I also want to talk to you specifically about how we make audio and voice applications, including headsets, speakers, and speakerphones more affordable while upgrading the user experience. For our customers to provide a differentiated product in these applications, there is a need for a processor which can provide sophisticated signal processing. They need fast time to market in order to succeed, along with maximum options for targeted peripherals and connectivity, all this while being cost and size efficient. The C553x DSPs are ideal for these applications because we have a very efficient signal processing machine which cranks up to 100 MHz along with options of scaling up to 320 KB on-chip memory. We also provide abundant software resources, not just considering the development need, but also considering the time to market for our customers in these target applications. We have industry standard audio and voice codecs and advanced algorithms like best-in-class acoustic echo removal, noise reduction, and also complete framework for USB audio class development with full duplex performance and HID capability. This is a great benefit for these end equipments. The other aspect which caters to these applications is the integrated high-speed USB 2.0 with PHY for adding USB connectivity without increasing the BOM cost or size, and the ability to run a Bluetooth stack for enabling wireless operation as well. The digital as well as analog integration, including power management and SAR ADCs, helps keep the size as well as cost low. Another way we help to reduce the overall system cost is with the 0.8mm 12mm by 12mm package, which allows designers to use a 4-layer PCB instead of a 6-layer one. So we can see that the C553x offers a complete and optimal hardware as well as software solution targeted towards the audio and voice applications like USB headsets, speakers, microphones, as well as speakerphones. We greatly value the software investments our customers make and have made it very easy for them to be able to choose a processor for a complete platform. The C553x devices are software as well as pin-to-pin compatible, offering the flexibility to customers for choosing the right processor for their applications. Let's start with the C5532. This part is available in 50 and 100 MHz and has the lowest power consumption in the industry at less than 0.15 mW per megahertz active power at 50 MHz and less than 0.22 mW per megahertz at 100 MHz. It has a host of integrated peripherals, including serial interfaces like SPI, I2S, I2C, and UART. We have SD eMMC for storage and lot of GPIOs. It also has an integrated analog LDO and 64 KB memory. All of this is encased in a 12mm by 12mm 0.8mm pitch package, which is perfectly suited for applications like flow meters and sensors that we discussed. You can see that as we move on right, we have more integration and more peripherals available in the devices, so we have more options to choose from. The C5533 and 34 devices have all these features that I just spoke about and add on some extra peripherals like the high-speed USB 2.0 with PHY, additional LDOs, and more memory, which is suitable for audio and voice applications. You can scale up to the C5535, which is the superset device with 320 KB memory, integrated LCD controller, SAR ADC, and FFT coprocessor to add faster and more energy efficient signal processing, which is ideal for applications in the portable medical space, and also audio devices with more advanced features. Here you can see the software compatibility and at a glance the differences between all these four devices. Plus, what I want to convey here is how easy it is to move on to the 5504, 05, 14 and 15 devices, which are the higher performing devices completely software compatible with the C553x family. As you can see, these processors can run up to 150 MHz and have an external memory interface for parallel memory such as the RAM, NOR flash or NAND flash. I have some interesting data for explaining how the C553x will help reduce the overall system cost. I had mentioned earlier that the C553x is industry's lowest priced DSP. But that's not the only way to reduce your system cost. Now designers can go from a 6-layer PCB to a 4-layer PCB and save another 20%. That's a significant saving if the processor was actually driving you to use a 6-layer PCB. Another system cost saving comes from the peripheral integration, like the USB 2.0 with PHY, LCD interface, and the analog integration. It can help drive down the system cost 15% lower. So, we have industry's lowest cost DSP now helping customers to get maximum cost benefit for their products. Next, let's see some power performance data about the C553x processors. I mentioned that the C553x processors are also the lowest power processors in the industry. Here you can take a look at how much better the power consumption is as compared with the nearest DSP competitor. The C553x is 2 times better active power consumption and 6 times better standby power consumption than the competitor device. That translates up to 2 times more battery life. These numbers have been compared for 75% dual MAC and 25% add operation, which is the typical operation for filters. This will be a huge battery advantage in portable devices. So we see here that we can get amazing amount of performance now at microcontroller price and power levels. Now let's take a look at some details about the software resources that we are providing. On one hand is the Code Composer Studio, which helps support any software development on the C553x platform. And on the other hand, we have complete application level framework support for quick software development in target application spaces. Now let's take a look at the software framework for USB audio class development. We will provide this framework to customers for free to benefit their development. It is a very advanced, complete framework for USB audio class development with human interface device, that is HID control. We will have the complete source code available for them to download on the ti.com website. The software can also be executed on the C5535 evaluation tool. So what it can be used for is we can play audio using a media player on the host and listen to it on the speakers. And we can also capture the audio from a mic and record it on the host. And the DSP is actually doing the synchronization between the host and the device. The HID software will allow developers to add capabilities for volume up, down, and mute functions using buttons. This great quality software is available to our customers for free. Of course, we also have the Code Composer Studio software to support development, debugging, profiling, as well as simulation. We also have a lot of libraries available to our customers to leverage, like the chip support library, which helps completely abstract the hardware level and they can just program in high level. We're also committed to providing more and more software resources to our customers to help them in their development. Another thing I wanted to introduce you to is our C553x DSP Development Kit. To complement our low-cost devices, we're introducing the low-cost C553x DSP Development Kit. It includes a small-size development board with a lot of features, like it has an onboard codec with line-in line-out ports, LCD screen, microSD card slot, SPI flash, TI wireless connectors, and also an expansion connectors for accommodating customers' daughter boards. It has an onboard JTAG emulator which comes with a free, full-featured version of Code Composer Studio 4. Now, if either of these were bought separately, they would both cost about $500 each. But with this tool, it's absolutely free. We've also included headphones with mic and a micro SD card with an adapter. And this is to have a great out-of-the-box demo for our customers. The micro SD card is preloaded with the USB audio class software, and you can use the Easy DSP board as USB headsets. Just plug in the headphones provided for a complete experience. The LCD screen will also show the spectrum analyzer of the music which is being played from the host computer. We also have the complete USB audio class source code included on the CD. After our breakthrough price for the devices, we have tried to remove the barrier for trying out these devices by introducing a one-time promotional offer of $55 for this entire kit for the first 55 days after launch. So this is a really great price for the tool. Of course, we're always committed to introducing more and more software resources for our customers. So you can check out those at ti.com/c5000. Even after this promotion date, all the software that we're providing will still be available to our customers for free, and they can download it from the website or get it with the tool. We also have a very active and extensive online community and a lot of resources on the E2E community and TI Processors wiki page. So please check out ti.com/c5000 for more details. So again, the C553x generation will revolutionize cost-sensitive applications because of its advantages in price, power, and ease of development. The generation starts at $1.95 for 1 kilo-unit quantities and will be the lowest cost DSP on the market. These devices will also help extend battery life for you by offering industry's lowest power consumption of less than 0.15 milliwatts per megahertz in active mode at 50 megahertz and less than 1.15 milliwatts in standby mode. TI also offers tools and softwares with these DSP for quick and easy development and expedite the time to market. It's a complete package with all these benefits, help our customers reduce their overall system cost, extend battery life, and get to market quickly. Thank you.